Welcome to Solving for Single Units. The law of dimensional homogeneity requires that the units of both sides of an equality must be the same at the end of a calculation. So if a single unit amount is wanted in a calculation, then a single unit amount must be supplied in the data as a given for the conversion. When a single unit is wanted, then you want to start your conversion calculation with an equality. So wanted, colon, question mark, and then whatever your wanted single unit is, equals a number times your given single unit. And then you can convert the given single unit to the wanted single unit. So if a problem starts with a single unit, then one number and unit in the data is likely to be either a number and its unit that is not paired in an equality with other measurements, or a number and its unit that is paired with the wanted unit in the format some number of our unit wanted, or question mark unit wanted, is equal to number times unit, number of unit given. We're going to define the given as the term written to the right of the equal sign, so what we had on the right of the equal sign on the last slide. The given is a starting point for our conversion calculations, and then we'll do some manipulations on the given to get us to the wanted unit. So we're going to circle or box the given in the data section. I'm using boxes here because I've got it typed, but on your paper you can circle it or box it or highlight it, or in some way pick out what the given is so you can always know that that's what you need to use. So this ensures that you know where you want to start your calculations. For example, if a car's speed is 55 miles per hour, how many minutes are needed to travel 85 miles? So we want to find out what the given is, what the wanted unit is. So pause the video, try to write down for yourself what the wanted unit is, what the given is, and actually see if you can go ahead and do this calculation. So you should write wanted, colon, question mark, minutes, equals, and then in the data section, 55 miles equals 1 hour, and the given is 85 miles. So that's what should be boxed or circled or highlighted. And then below the data section, we're going to write solve. And this is where we're actually going to solve our problem. If you want a single unit, then you're going to write the wanted and given measurements in the format of our single unit starting template, which is given here. So we have a question mark, and then whatever our wanted unit is, equals number times the unit given. So all of this is our given. That's what should be in your box or circle or highlighter or whatever. And then we want to write our set of parentheses with our fraction line inside, and then in the denominator we're putting our unit given. Again, this only works if we have a single unit out here, so whatever our unit given here is, it's acting as an enumerator there, so we need to put it in the denominator of our first conversion. And remember here that the given unit is the unit of our circled or boxed quantity in our data section. We're going to fill in the conversion factor then using the equalities in our data section, and perhaps other known equalities such as the metric or English definitions or bridge conversions. So let's continue our earlier example. If a car's speed is 55 miles per hour, how many minutes are needed to travel 85 miles? So we're looking for minutes. We know that the car is traveling at 55 miles per hour, so we can say 55 miles equals 1 hour. We want to know how far or how long it's going to take to travel 85 miles, so the given there is 85 miles. So in our solve section, we're going to write question mark minutes, just like we wrote up here from our wanted, equals our given, 85 miles. Now we're going to use our 55 miles per hour, 55 miles equals 1 hour, as our conversion there. And that will cancel miles and give us hours. And now we're not looking for hours, we're looking for minutes. So we need to get rid of hours and multiply by a conversion that we already know, 60 minutes per hour. So hours will cancel and we'll be left with minutes. And our number math works out to be 93 minutes. So using this method, then work through the practice problems at the end of this section in the textbook. And that was solving for single units.